Amended labor law not worker friendly. A group of labor leaders of Bangladesh today complained to the visiting delegation of the European Union that the amended labor law is not worker friendly, as many anti-labor provisions have been incorporated. They also said the Bangladesh Labor Amendment Bill 2030, which was passed in Parliament on November 2, was not finalised following proper consultation with them. For instance, the leaders had been demanding the withdrawal of the threshold on consent required to form trade unions at factories with a view to easing the process of registration. The amended labor law has kept the provision. As a result, if the number of workers in a factory is less than 3,000, the consent of 20% of laborers will be needed to form a trade union. It will go up to 15% in factories that employ more than 3,000 workers. The union leaders also complained that the service benefit is not well protected in the amended law. If a worker cannot continue in his or her job for 1 year at a stretch, there is a possibility of losing the benefit. The provision of maternity leaves for female workers is not well specified. So, factory management might keep following the old practice and the workers might be deprived again, said Nazma Akhtar, president of the Sammilito Garments Shromik Federation, a workers' platform. At the meeting with the EU delegation at the EU office in Dhaka. Before the finalization of the amendment, the union leaders were not consulted. The Tauhidar Rahman, president of the Bangladesh Apparel Workers Federation, said it would be difficult to obtain the EU's generalized scheme of preference pulse status as the amended law is not worker friendly. The two leaders shared their observation while speaking to the reporter. Bangladesh hopes to secure the GSP Plus status from 2029 after the expiry of the LDC trade benefit in order to retain the duty benefit in the world's largest trade bloc. In order to do so, the country will have to implement 32 international conventions in 4 areas: human rights, labor rights, environmental protection, and good governance. The labor law has been amended as part of the government's efforts to secure the GSP Plus status. The delegation is led by EU External Action Services Deputy Managing Director for Asia Pacific, Paola Pampaloni. The visiting EU delegation will hold a meeting with the Secretaries of Commerce, Labour and Foreign Ministries at a state guest house in Dhaka today.